Hey there guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your services so that other agencies can white label and resell them. That means that instead of you selling these services to your clients directly, other agencies buy them from you and sell them to their clients. This might already be happening without you knowing it, but if you make the process a little bit easier, you'll be able to sell more without having to find new clients yourself. The problem is, when other agencies resell your services, they don't necessarily want you to have access to their clients. That means that they're going to have to relay questions and answers from the clients to you and vice versa, which becomes a lot of work for everyone involved. So we've automated all of that on SPP. Let me show you how it works and how to set it up. So here's an agency workspace and here's a reseller workspace that's connected to them. You can keep track of what workspace I'm on by looking at the URL on top. At SPP, we allow the reseller to pull in all of your services into their workspace so that they can resell them as their own to their clients with a markup. Here's a list of all of the services that I've pulled from the other workspace. I'll show you how all of this works in a bit. Let's go to one of the forms that we've set up as the reseller here and try to sign up as a client. So I've filled out this order form and we're going to be signing up for the basic plan that was imported from the other workspace. Keep in mind that this is the reseller's workspace here. Now, if we go back to the admin side, you'll be able to see this order on the reseller's workspace right over here. But at the same time, if I switch back to the provider's workspace, you'll be able to see the order forwarded to here as well so that your team can get started working on it immediately. The reseller was automatically charged for the service, so there's no extra work that you need to do on your end. You know for a fact that the order was paid for if it appears on your workspace. So let me show you how to set up your first reseller in your white label program module. First up, you probably don't want resellers to white label all of your services, so you can pick which ones you'd like them to have, and maybe those are hidden services with special bulk pricing just for them. Next up, your reseller needs to have a client account on your workspace so that they can be set up as a reseller. No worries if they don't actually have an account, you can set one up for them manually. Now we're going to add a reseller and approve them. Now that I've approved the reseller, let's log in as them and start white labeling some services. Remember that the reseller is a client on your workspace. So now that I'm logged in as the reseller, there's a new reseller sidebar item that I can click on to fill in the reseller's workspace URL and authorize the connection by following the on-screen instructions after that. Once the connection is set up, I can pull in my services to the reseller workspace and most importantly, set my own pricing for each service. As your team delivers the order and sends messages, it will automatically be updated in the reseller's workspace as well. So they don't really have to do anything to make it work as you handle all communications and deliverables from the provider's workspace. For more tips and guides on how to run your product as agency, check out our YouTube channel. And to set up your own workspace along with your resellers, check out SPP via the description down below.